नौबो topic ama laukhalaji ko gender perspective in politics. Perspectives have the meaning havani ko natraga gender na politics the low river role or politics na gender combine influence at we have the mata na ina dun. Ahambada topic si hodringai the concept ama khakharam ge sex natraga gender have si kai de kene. Ani si adum exchange tawra sijinabane ba but munna yengor de ani si marata khenaba lai ko. Sex ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ biologically determined ꯑꯣꯏꯕ male or female ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯦꯕ. ꯁꯝꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗ biologically only women can give birth. ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ or men na XY chromosome ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ female na X chromosome ꯈꯛꯇ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ. ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ biologically determined ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯕꯨ sex ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯅꯩꯀꯣ. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ next gender ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯌꯧꯔꯛ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ society-ꯅ expect ꯇꯧꯕ role ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ, ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ, ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯗꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏ, ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯗꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ concept-ꯇꯣ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ gender ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯩꯌꯦꯕ. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ male or female-ꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯕ ꯁꯝꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗ LGBTQ-ꯒꯤ concept-ꯀꯨꯝꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯅ gender-ꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯇꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ. Sex-ꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯕꯀꯣ. ꯑꯅꯤꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯕꯗꯨꯅꯤ. ꯑꯗꯨꯅ gender perspectives in politics. ꯍꯧꯔꯁꯦ. Gender division is a form of hierarchical social division seen everywhere. Hierarchical social division haidi main oina hierarchy habdi level leibako thak khetnaba leiba aduga adnem awang leibadu hierarchy haina khangneibo adumaina leiba social division society da khetnaba leibado adugumba neba gender division haise. The gender division is understood as natural and unchangeable. Hongtokpe arroi nature na semakpani god na semakpani hain khangnei ko mina. This division is not based on biology but on social expectations and fixed in form. Adubu sigi division je biology the based tawdeba. Social expectation ID samaj na society na khanba expect tawba aduda depend away and fixed in form haibnida. Adugine aina ngasai sex ka gender gi matang haipet difference hairmido. Sigi matang je kaigino not based on biology hair isi maramdi samna harbada example ama consider tawseba society am laireba moi society jida nupi gaije nupa gi brain dagi hena inferior oina na khanba society ne khalajeba moi society da angang nupi gaije lai amta tamhandreba kolik phengba gumba adu moi tambire laireba ko example adu nupa gaina sum advance tawgani nupi gaina sum namda hodra du etagade adubu sigi division je biology da base tawbran hadi chumbra biologically laliko nupi na nupa de henba myam lay manaba level myam lay hadi nupi ga nupa gi brain je kaisu ka hena khetnaba kaisumta leiteba aduna this division is not based on biology on social expectations haise adu tani ko. Mathang paragraph the in most families women do all the household work such as cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, looking after children, etc. Aduga nupa gaina all the works outside the home yumni mapan the labor thaba kai nupa gaina tongnai. Men think that to do housework is for women. Yumgi thaba inkang to uji nupi gine kali. But this when these jobs are paid for, men are ready to take up this work. Sadi hotel the chef or bobo gera keno ki ꯗꯣꯕꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯕꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯩꯗꯤ ꯃꯈꯟ ꯃꯈꯟ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯃꯤꯂꯔꯂꯤ ꯏꯠ ꯏꯁ ꯅꯣꯠ ꯗꯦꯠ ꯋꯨꯃꯦꯟ ꯗꯨ ꯅꯣꯠ ꯋꯔꯛ ꯑꯥꯎꯠꯁꯥꯏꯗ ꯗꯤꯌꯔ ꯍꯥꯎꯁ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯨ ꯌꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯇꯧꯗꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯨ both in urban and rural areas ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ rural ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ village countryside ꯑꯗꯨꯒ urban ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯇꯤꯗꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛꯇ ꯋꯔꯛ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯗ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯁꯟꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯕ in fact the majority of women do some sort of paid work in addition to domestic work ꯌꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯏꯪꯈꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯇꯥꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯅꯕ ꯁꯤꯟꯐꯝ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯊꯤꯅꯕ ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯕꯀꯣ but their work is not valued and does not get much recognition ꯌꯥꯝꯅ value ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯋꯥꯡꯅ ꯊꯥꯡꯒꯠꯄꯤꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯗ and does not get much recognition ꯍꯥꯏ ꯁꯛꯈꯪꯕꯤꯗꯕꯗꯣ appreciate ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯤꯀꯣ. The role of women in public life especially is minimal. Public life ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯌꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯁꯝꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯩꯗꯤ ꯁꯃꯥꯖꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯏꯂꯦꯛꯁꯟꯗꯕꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯔꯣꯜꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯣ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯤꯄꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯣ ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ. Earlier only men participated in public affairs, voted and contested for public offices. Nupa khutana public affair da yaurami adai voted and contested for public offices. Vote lepasu contest tawba adai vote hadabu nupa khatang tawrami ko nupi da right piramde. Gradually, the gender issue was raised in politics. Gender issue je politics ta thokpa horayebako. Politics yaurok taragadi discussion tawrani, debate tawrani, mayam gi level da, samaj gi level da puthoraktoineba. domestic oina yumda sum khanaram natabuko political level da puthorakpa haisi sisineba. Women in different parts of the world organized and agitated for equal rights, protested tawwe habniko. Agitated organized tawwa haisina sam habada women gi group nung semdana tawdana wakhal manaba nupi myam punjallaga mayam tawwe habni. Women agitation in different countries demanded for women empowerment in political and legal status of women and improvement of the educational and career opportunities. Women empowerment to politics ta aduga legal status of women raise to habni. Some have the law the yawon law have no big rights. Widow remarriage 1856 ta pass tawiko thainagi colonial matam British palingi matam da tawine sisu. Sigumba gaje sibudi Raja Rammohn Roy hoina tawraga tawgibnebako moigi effort tagi. Adubu sumaina hana law da leremdaba pot ama law da hapchalakpado nupigi legal right puthorapado adui potuni ko legal status of women haise. Educational career opportunities samna habadi yumgi thaba ingkang khak tawba nattaba atai atai moigi career advance tawba yabagi opportunity piyu jinida. These movements of women aimed at equality in personal and family is called feminist movement. Feminist movement habadi nupaga nupiga anigi level manana thang manana puthoraknaba tawba personal and family life ta khak natte professional life nung da loimak niko adubu feminist movement haina khangnai. Now we find women working as scientists, doctors, engineers, lawyers, police officers, pilots, and whatnot. Makan-makan itabak loi tawreba. In Scandinavian countries like Sweden, Norway, and Finland, the participation of women in public life is very high. Public life, the mogi participation, di amna high oibo ko. Tabak nung tawbo oigera, ama nung political life, tabu oigera, mogi dadi example prime minister gumba president gumba gaji nupi na nambo oigan ba khotpa yam laigri ko yam every indicator to ko every indicator hadi everything moigi lamje Scandinavia haje si gai si lam gai si nebo ko Russia ga si maton de lei je UK koi Britain ga ka gi na chwai de lei je yam ing malam ni Scandinavian countries haje Finland Sweden Norway Denmark Iceland si yaw da de male do map si da yaw salam ado si lam gai si nebo ko moi je every indicator the health ki da bo oigera education da bo oigera prithvi gi country ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯣꯞ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯆꯠꯂ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯍꯦꯄꯤꯅꯦꯁ ꯏꯟꯗꯦꯛꯁꯇꯕꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯑꯃꯗꯕꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯂꯕ ꯂꯝ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯝꯈꯩꯁꯦ. In India, women still lag much behind men. Lag tꯧꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯡ ꯍꯟꯊꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯗꯒꯤ. Ours is still a male-dominated patriarchal society. Patriarchy ꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯥꯔꯝꯃꯅꯤ. Patriarchy ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ male-dominated ꯑꯣꯏꯕ. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ patriarch ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ magi literal asengba meaning di rule by father habneba adubu rule by father kak natraju yai every field da nupana dominate tawudo adugumba duni patriarchal society habdi. Women face disadvantages, discrimination, and oppression in various ways. Ot panaiba mayam thengnare. Women are not paid equal wages. Chap manaba thabakki wage manadana pi. Check chama chama nupa nupi su thangaju. Nupi dana lupa yangkai nupa dana lupa chama pi ba si adumai tawini ko top lam kaidadi India da maruina. In many parts of India, parents prefer to have sons and find ways to have the girl child aborted before she is born. Angang hatpaneba pokdringaida killing unborn child habneba ko aborted ID. There are many reports of harassment, exploitation, and violence against women. They are not safe, particularly in urban areas. They are not safe even within their own home. Noi taramani ko ngarang nahan gi thawdok ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛꯅꯤ ꯀꯜꯀꯇꯥꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯔꯦꯞ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯍꯥꯠꯄꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯏꯁꯨꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯄꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯕ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯤ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯝꯃꯅꯤ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯀꯩꯗ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯔꯤꯂꯦꯚꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯅꯍꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯦ. ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯁꯤꯐꯥꯎ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ. Next topic ꯍꯧꯔꯁꯤ women's political participation. Politician ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ politics ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯍꯩꯁꯤ ꯇꯥꯕꯗ ꯃꯤꯠꯇ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯎꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯎꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯠꯇ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯩ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯀꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯁꯦ. ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯟꯁꯦꯞ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤ legislature ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯀꯣ. Legislature ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ elect ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ representatives ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯍꯨꯠꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯒ ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯧꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ law pass ꯇꯧꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒꯤ law ꯁꯦꯝꯗꯣꯛ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯤꯟ ꯑꯣꯟꯊꯣꯛ ꯑꯣꯟꯖꯤꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ body ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ legislature ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯅꯩꯕꯀꯣ. Legislature ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ government ꯒꯤ branch ꯑꯃꯅꯤ government ꯒꯤ part ꯑꯃꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯠꯇ government haraga MLA mantri mandol ka uboi type ta tawne adu khakti natte ko government ya ise judiciary habadi court high court adudagi judge sing adudagi executive habadi police wagera adudagi IS wagera adudagi independent body sing CBI RBI gain leise moi loinak government ki part amane ko adumaina punna yengba tamgadawni adubu ngashigi oina nogi sida yawaibasidi nupina karita legislature da focus tawreko hawasi in India the proportion of women in legislature has been very low legislature da yawba nupi percentage yam neme habne ko proportion habdi aduda sida sigi concept am haram level 1 level 2 level 3 tawisi ko India the government che kram balai central government hainam lai ko sina kwai degi chawre sida Rajya Sabha Lok Sabha hain laibo central government haidi ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯃꯤꯠ ꯁꯥꯍꯖꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯩꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯗꯤꯖꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯜ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟ ꯂꯩꯔꯦꯗꯅ ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜ 2ꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯇ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯩꯗꯤ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯄꯥꯔꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯦꯗꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜ 3ꯗꯅ ꯔꯨꯔꯦꯜꯒ ꯑꯔꯕꯥꯟꯒ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯄꯟꯆꯥꯌꯠꯅ ꯔꯨꯔꯦꯜ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯁꯤꯄꯥꯂꯤꯇꯤꯅ ꯑꯔꯕꯥꯟ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯁ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯚꯤꯂꯦꯖ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯈꯩꯅ ꯄꯟꯆꯥꯌꯠꯅ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯜ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯁꯤꯄꯥꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ urban areas city areas kay municipality na control tawwa haibani sumaina level ahum thokna layibako akhoi government je government hadi legislature je asida kamai tawwa ha matamda level 3 sigi panchayat ka municipality ka animak se local self government hadi isa lengak chaba haina kawwebako locally lengak chaba kawwebako sigi level of government sidadi kai tawwa ha matamda nupi ki seat se 1/3 reservation layib samna habda total 90 seats layeng kalsini ko panchayat ki sida 1/3 hadi 30 seats nupi ki reserve tawdine yan tama adubu level 2 hadi state government ka central government ka dadi koi kisi reservation system de laite ko yengasi in India the proportion of dudu is very low higher the percentage of elected women members in Lok Sabha has never reached 10% of its total strength sigi Lok Sabha da yawriba total strength di 500 ka kanam laibane ko asigi 10% paw suyaw yawdri aduga their share in state assemblies is less than 5% state assembly da di 5% paw yawmamdi India is among the bottom group of nations in the world in this respect. Atopa lamjinga compare to the India yamna handaba level lay ko. Manipur gi oini yengo 60 MLAs ki marakta yawa nupi mangan si masak maming khangbar noi. Haipet si politically aware oiba pai ko. Aina kana no di dayak hire ki no haipet yengjaro. Adu si manga ne ko. Manga hai si 5 by 60 oi targadi around 8% muk se koi gi state assembly da nupi representative yawa ko Manipur yam madinate. Do khangjan lo ba si se. Kamain hai ya matamda one way to solve this problem is to make it legally binding to have a fair proportion of women in elected bodies. Pathara si sigi problem nupi yamna representative tholoktabagi problem je kamaina solve tawba yai haiba matamda law ama pass tawraga nupi gi seat se reservation taw taragadi sigi problem je solve tawba yai sine moina haise ko fair proportion fair adi reasonable oiba haibani ko mayamna yanagadaba oigadaba wana haibani fair oiba haibadi si matangsida samna haibada 99% nupi reservation tawse haidi kaisu kanamta yaroidana aduna percentage ama mayamna yanagadaba ama lepnabagi mungdunida This is what Panchayati Raj is done in India. Shine Panchayati Raj antoise. Adubu Panchayati Raj haraga mo local self government haining iniko haidi meaning dadi samna habada Panchayat chu municipalities jo animak neighbor reservation tawise. 1/3 of seats in local government bodies in panchayats and municipalities are now reserved for women. 1/3 seat reserved tawre moigi engna sa habaduni. Now the parliament has agreed reservation of half of the total number of seats. Half reserved tawna yanari to si thabak tali on thok triko si wari je khangde si madi. Now there are more than 10 lakh elected women representatives in panchayats and municipalities. Hojik panchayat ke municipalities the 10 lakh nupi representatives laireba. Si kamay function tayo na mato the panchayat ki area sama the 90 laireng khal sine ko. Kung war si wangkay har si di atay pangay hajal si ba to mapong kara laireba ko. The 90 laireba si the 1/3 adi 30 seat reservation tayo na handak ki chahi je si ki seat kay si nupi na pahay ni har na. Mathangi next election dadi hojiki mapam do dum nupi na pahay lai do na tiba change tayo ka ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ 30 seats ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯄꯥꯏꯍꯟꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯨꯅꯤꯗ ꯔꯤꯖꯔꯕꯦꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯅ ꯄꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯀꯣ women organizations and activists have been demanding for similar reservation of seats for women in Lok Sabha and State Assembly. Sigi state government, state assembly ka central government, central ki Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, maru Lok Sabha the reservation nupi ki maina panchayat municipality the labor reservation du maina moi da su thamna ba taksal le habne ko. A bill with the proposal has been pending before the parliament for more than a decade. Karamba proposal no hama tam the state government ka central government ka sigi ani sida su reservation thamji have a pot je pallag leire decade ama chahi tara hena. There is no consensus over the bill. Consensus hai mayam yana bado. Amta laite buko among the political parties and therefore the bill has not been passed. Passes about 3. It is expected the bill will be discussed in parliament very soon. Parliament thuna nai nai akhoi matamdasु si tum chap manana haihobiko kem khetnab leite hojika aduni si yam phagi tare hojikti paabada. Thus, gender division is an example that some form of social division needs to be expressed in politics. Habdi sina hiding is a social division na samaj da khena mayam leidana religion da race da boy gera language da khena boy gera ethnicity da khena boy gera 시가이제 social division makal makal ne sigi marakta nupa nupi ya khetnaba haibasisu social division makal amanebogo adu social division khudimak politics ta pusalakpadi phatteba samna habda ethnic ki base ta tawraga pusalakpa boigera religion da base ta boigera communalism ko en tamgibado mamangi adu maina pusalakpadi phai haiba yadebako adubu sigumba form of social division nupa nupi ki yana basic oiba potche sigumba di pusalakpa phai habanida. However, women could hold two highest posts in the country. Quite a post and Prime Minister President Oire. There's a grand success of women empowerment in India. Yam success ne higher ko. 15 and 16 Lok Sabha witnessed the prestigious seat of Speaker occupied by Meira Kumari of UPA and Sumitra Mahajan of NDA. Prestigious idea yamna honorable loiba yamna level wangba seat high ni ko prestigious idea. UPA has in a Congress ki form tꯧꯕ government ne ꯑꯗꯩ NDA ꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ BJP ꯅꯨꯡꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ form ꯇꯧꯕ government ꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ president ꯗ꯭ꯔꯧꯄꯗꯤ ꯃꯨꯔꯃꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ basic ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯐꯥꯎ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ Mathang topic role of meira paibis in the working of democracy in Manipur ko. The state of Manipur has a unique pressure group of women only, the meira paibis. Pressure group ID sarkar the government the pressure piraga moigi demand phangnaba tauba group 2 pressure group haina kawiko adubu si yam simple oiba definition ni pressure group haise meira paibi je pressure group tagi henba tai role mayam tauriba ko moi thabak je adubu yam line ba noi this my haiba wani ko mathang the meira paibi is a local name which means women torch bearers. They are also because they use meira torch in the night in lieu of lights or lamps in lieu of instead ko torch light pai de moi meira pai ni. The institution of Meira was established in 1980 ko. Manipur has been under conflict situation, violence nung map to a Manipur's problem adum lay. The condition of law and order had been very bad as a result of separatist movement. India the tongan tani habigi movement as Obama Manipur the lay ko adugi law and order je Manipur jam phate. The role of Meira is very important for such and law and order problem. Meira role is down maru oye ko. The objective of the group is restoration of peace. Peace hanjalakpaje moigi aim ni aduga they hope for a completely changed society where there should be social equality and social justice. Haidi manaba level da manaba thak da leiba ko samna harabada lairaba ina khunba paisa gi paisa pai pai da khena uba oi targasu mi ama oina level manana yengba ngamba society the justice orsu mabani mak chap manaba level da judge tauba adugumba society ama oiba pame ko. They like to have a good and effective popular government that would maintain law and order and territorial integration. Good and effective popular government. Popular haidi mayamna pamna hamnati kosi matanjida. Social science the civics the political science popular haitari democratically elected government popular hai khangnai that would maintain law and order and territorial integration. Law and order maintain tauba the Manipur ka ba ro ya ba idea du phajana support tauba sarkar ama pame ko. The meira paibis have spread far and wide. Yam sanduke. Every locality in Manipur has its own meira paibis association. Laikai khudimakta lay. They are very much against the imposition of the Armed Forces Special Power Act 1958 and state atrocities in Manipur. State na odd state ID. Singwatan is the state government have natiko. India की whole government machinery army bu oigera judiciary bu oigera police bu oigera mayamsi loimak chingye si kaigina tawba otpa naibagi against the lepi. Sometimes there had been cases of inhuman torture by the security forces in the pretext of counterinsurgency operation. Excuse sama piraga counterinsurgency gi naharon gi dagi sigi against tane na tawraga moina inhuman torture otpa naiba yamna tawba yam yaugre Manipur da yam case laigre ko mayam laigre sigidi. If some innocent youths are arrested by the security forces in the name of counterinsurgency without issuing arrest memo, the Marapaibi challenge the security forces courageously. Hadi in counterinsurgency gi ming the arrest memo hadi ma pharisi kai maramgino kai lamdai phabano pung kyada phabano khopano memo ama pi bada ka laibu ko adu piramdabida phagibda taragadi Marapaibina challenge tawgi. Since Manipur is a dry state where sale of liquor is prohibited, they help the authority in implementation of the policy. Simodi hojikti dry state natramnina chati chanaroi but moin taw hojisu dum tawriko. They help the authority in the implementation of the policy. Implementation hadi thabak to onthokpa haibnebuko. Thabak ta onthokpa haibani hadi of the policy haitagadi you think bagi poche. Sida moina thabak to onthokpada mateng pangi haibnida. They are very much against social evil activities. Samaj na yadaba activities hadi adultery, cheating in marriage haibniko adultery hadi. Forcible divorce, namdana khainaba, abduction, kidnapping, phaba punba, mayamgi against the lay. Their movement is spontaneous hadi haunaruba laitana tholakpado automatic oibadune because spontaneous hadi. Any moment they can have a huge gathering within a short time by giving signals on electric or telephone poles. Say kang si king bado kang kang. Srimati aina explain tawdusu yare. They are very active and brave yare. Really the Marapaivis are very powerful. They can exercise influence and participate in the political decisions at the grassroots level. Grassroots level ID grass amagi mara gi level haita the common people gi praja gi level the moina influence the we yamna powerful oibako aduga moi decision lepdasu mateng pangeba. Samna harabada sigi issue mayam laiko Manipur je every society loimak lai aduda karamba issue da focus tawsige haibagi potche injanbagi potche sigi potche dasu moi role yam chauna laibako praja mayam je dum koi daily life day to day life lainabani kasi yam hena politically yam aware oidasu dum paklai lainabasu mayam yawini dana asigi potche issue ama laire sigi potche thuna keno tawhꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯣꯟꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯥꯡꯖꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯁꯝꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗ ILPSꯀꯤ ꯏꯁꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯃꯥꯡꯖꯤꯟ ꯊꯥꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯠꯂꯝꯃꯦꯕꯀꯣ. It is an agency of democracy ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ explain ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯏꯗꯨꯃꯛꯅꯤꯀꯣ. ꯗꯦꯃꯣꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯖꯦꯟꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯆꯤꯟ ꯇꯨꯝꯅ ꯗꯦꯃꯣꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯏꯟꯓꯜꯂꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯦꯕ. ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯧꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯈꯟꯅꯕ ꯅꯩꯅꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯔ ꯑꯗꯨꯏ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯨ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯗꯦꯃꯣꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ. ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯧꯍꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯖꯦꯟ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯗ. Their model movements are organizing big rallies, rally chatpa, they holding sit in protest, ko dharna phamba, agitation protest tawba. They played an active role against kidnapping of children by some outlawed groups in mid 2008 during Lai Elizabeth ki matam aduda phaba angang kidnap tawba hatpa adugi matamdasu moi role yam chauna play tawgi ko. Again, they played a great role in the movement of 2015 demanding introduction of ILP under the guidance of JSILPS ko. 이제 ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯈꯤꯕ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯇꯨꯅꯦꯕ CSO ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯤꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯁꯝꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯩꯔꯥ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯔꯣꯜꯗꯨꯅꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯃꯩꯔꯥ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯃꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯐꯥꯎ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ. The Manipur State Commission for Women. The need for a commission body niko organization ni tabani. The need for a commission exclusively for women has been felt long back to look after the exploitation of women in Manipuri society. Only for women have exclusively ID. Women in Manipur have been looked down upon by the male-dominated society. We hear several cases of domestic violence, physical assault, harassment, forcible kidnapping, divorce. Physical assault ID khana chenaba phuba chaiba duni harassment haise aggression adudagi nungai handaba ko mayam du loimak chinge sida divorce khainaba khonaba. In fact, they are suffering a lot in the hands of the husband, in-laws, brothers, etc. Therefore, there had been a demand for the establishment of Women's Commission. Nupi ko ba commission nama daka tayo government ki body would ne ba commission na targadi. As a result of the demand and social pressure from different groups, pressure may like the government of Manipur established the Manipur State Commission for Women on 12 December 2006. 12 December hadi kay no nupilal numita ko. The commission is just like Human Rights Commission for Women only. Nupi ki damak talay Human Rights Commission ko maneba. All members are eminent personalities and we can hope for a bright future of the commission. Eminent hadi famous oiba yamna bright oiba yamna achang thauba hadi yam haisingba boigera adugumba people ne hamni ko famous hadi famous haraga phawba wakak nate eminent har taragadi magun yam laiba tuneba. Now the commission has started hearing cases from aggrieved women, victimized or victim or women related to the above incidents. ID seeing as violence, physical assault, do da ma'am do case to moy tabo hore. Women should be given social justice. Justice be they must live in peace and harmony in the society. They should not be victims of male section. They are not dolls to be played with. Yeah, to run a commission smoothly is not an easy thing without adequate fund. Fund hadi paisa yaudana fajana run the wiring amarate. It is learned that the commission has requested the development of Northeastern region donor nam laibako central government ki to extend possible financial assistance. Hadi paisa ki mating ni bako moina. In the year 2008, the commission started a slogan "Awake Women" in the local language. Pisa mikap talk low have a slogan namang Therefore, we hope a bright future for women of Manipur with the existence of a commission. Commission ni mating na galoy na bright future asa we. In 2015, the newly constituted commission has started to visit the family of the victims for effective results. So all of the victims in mayum chatta na ko. Moreover, the Supreme Court of India has given special directive by the instruction to the state governments to take up serious action for the protection of women and children against crime. This is an interesting step for the exercise of power of the commission na ko. May explain to nga laiti ko sige ke no sige. Ugli ang sine Manipur State Commission for Women haji. Do gamoy gi chairperson no do ne ba. Min do di ay chap sa ba ka ko no jo happy ang Google the Manipur State Commission for Women thi ba da moy gi website pa ni yaw ni ko Facebook to yaw ni. Ato moy 2024 si latest photo ne ba. Women's Day, International Women's Day dara kainom tawgiba mali. Ato kayam rich kayam lay ati asok halaba nupisingda kayam na kanagre khotre adumakti sab saba khangde. Ato thabakti tawdi neba ko. Ato tried topa members topa tribe members mayam yawani maitai ngata su nagti ko. Aduni ado chapter je sida lore. The question answer gi pot su tawraki si ko. Ado no happen. Khatang review tawro kawai na taba nungaibra natra kay improve tawba yai feedback kay ka piruo adudagi kamaina mathang tawsige khotsige haibado adu mayamdo punna tanaranga tawminasi du khara kanaram taragadi noida share gumba khara tawbiyu ko aduga makha mathang tawtharasi.